So friend, today we are going to discuss the new topic of differential equation, that is the differential equation of first order and first degree. Now first of all we discuss some basic thing that now as this heading contains three words, that is the differential equation, second it is order, and third it is the degree of the differential equation. Now see what is the definition of differential equation. Now this is the definition. A differential equation, it is an equation which contains dependent variable. Secondly, it contains independent variable. And what is the third thing? Different derivatives of dependent variable with respect to independent variable. See what is the definition of differential equation. Differential equation, it is an equation which contains dependent variable, which contains independent variable, and what is the third thing? Different derivatives of dependent variable with respect to independent variable. Now suppose if we consider y equal to fx as a function, so obviously this y, it depends upon this x. So what is this y? Y, it is called the it is called the dependent variable because it is depends upon x. What is this x? X, it is called the independent variable. See, suppose if we take y equal to fx as a function, so obviously this y, it is depends upon x. So what is this y? Y, it is called the dependent variable, and this x, it is called the independent variable. So see what is the definition of differential equation. This differential equation contains this dependent variable y, which contains the independent variable x and the different derivatives of dependent variable y with respect to independent variable x. This is the derivative of dependent variable y, it is called a dependent variable. With respect to this x means it is the independent variable. So if we combine all these terms, then it is called the differential equation. So what is the differential equation? Differential equation, it contains the dependent variable, it contains independent variable x, and what is the third thing? It contains the derivative of dependent variable with respect to independent variable. It is called the differential equation. So if we combine all such a thing, then it is called the differential equation. So if you take like this, y plus x into dy by dx, this is called the differential equation. So what is the differential equation? Differential equation, it is the combination of dependent variable y, independent variable x, and the derivative of dependent variable with respect to independent variable x. So this is called the differential equation. Now see, in definition of differential equation, we have taken the different derivatives. That means suppose if we take y as a dependent variable, x as an independent variable, and just take the different variable or different derivatives of dependent variable with respect to independent variable. So we can take the different derivative as dy by dx, or d square y by dx square, or d cube y by dx cube, or we can take nth derivative dny by dxn. These are all the different derivatives of dependent variable with respect to independent variable. So we can take the example like this: d cube y by dx cube plus 2 d square y by dx square bracket cube plus 3 dy by dx plus x equal to 0. This is again the definition of differential equation. So see, what is the definition of differential equation? Differential equation, it contains dependent variable y, or we can add some variable x plus y. This is equal to 0. So what is the differential equation? This differential equation contains the dependent variable y, it contains independent variable x, as well as it contains the different derivatives of dependent variable with respect to independent variable. So this is again the example of differential equation. So in short, what is the definition of differential equation? An equation involving term of derivative. Equation involving differential coefficient, it is called the differential equation. Now let us discuss the next definition, which is the order of the differential equation. Now let us discuss the next definition, that is, what is order of the differential equation and what is the degree of the differential equation. And the next question is how to calculate the order and the degree of the differential equation. Now see, what is the definition of order of the differential equation? Highest order derivative occurring in the differential equation. Now suppose this is a differential equation. So what is the definition of order? Highest order derivative occurring in the differential equation, it is called the degree. And what is the definition of it is the definition of order. And what is the definition of degree? Power of the highest order derivative occurring in the differential equation, it is called the degree, provided that the differential equation, it should be free from radical sign and the rational indices. Now see how to calculate the order and how to calculate the degree. Now suppose if you consider this first differential equation, d square y by dx square plus x into dy by dx plus y equal to 0, we have to find out the order and degree of this differential equation. Now see, what is the definition of order of differential equation? Highest order derivative occurring in the differential equation. Now in this differential equation, we differentiate this y two times. So this is the highest order derivative. So that is 2. So order of this differential equation, this is equal to 2. And what is the degree of the differential equation? What is the definition of degree? Power of the highest order derivative. This is the highest order, and what is the power? Power, it is 1. So degree of this differential equation, this is equal to 1. So remember the definition of order. Order means just find out the highest order derivative. And what is the degree? Just find out the degree of the high or power of the highest order derivative. Now in this second differential equation, just find out the degree and order. So what is the differential equation? d cube y by dx cube plus 3 d square y by dx square bracket cube plus dy by dx plus xy equal to 0. Now we want to find out the order and degree of this differential equation. Now for order, we have to find out the highest order derivative. Now in this differential equation, this is the highest order, d cube y by dx cube. So what is the order of this differential equation? It is 3. And what is the degree of the differential equation? Just find out the power of highest order derivative. Now d cube y by dx cube, this is the highest order. So what is the power? Power, it is 1. So what is the degree of this differential equation? It is 1. Now in this third example, what is the third example? 1 plus dy by dx bracket cube whole bracket square, this is equal to d square y by dx square, its square. Now obviously, what is the order of this differential equation? Order means just find out the highest order derivative. d square y by dx square, we are differentiate y 2 times. So obviously this is the highest order. dy by dx, this is just first derivative. d square y by dx square, this is the second derivative. So what is the highest order derivative? D square y by dx square, that is the highest order derivative. So what is the order of this differential equation? 2. And what is the degree of this differential equation? Degree means find out the power of the highest order derivative. So what is the power? Power, it is 2. So degree of this differential equation, it is 2. Now consider this next example, fourth example. Okay, find out the degree and order of the differential equation d square y by dx square plus cos of dy by dx equal to 0. Now obviously what is the order of this differential equation? Order means find out the highest order derivative. Highest order derivative, it is d square y by dx square, it is the highest order. So what is the order of this differential equation? This is 2. Now we want to find out the degree of this differential equation. But we cannot find out the degree because this is not in the polynomial form. This differential equation contains some transcendental function, cos, sine, trigonometric or exponential function. And dy by dx, it is the coefficient of cosine. So this is not in the polynomial form. That means we cannot find out the degree. So right here, this degree we cannot define. For degree, the differential equation should be free from radical sign and it should be free from rational indices. Now this is not in the polynomial form because this differential equation contains this trigonometric term having this coefficient dy by dx. So obviously this is the transcendental function. So for this differential equation, we cannot define the degree. Now consider this next example. Square root of d square y by dx square is equal to cube root of 1 plus dy by dx. Now obviously, what is the highest order derivative in this differential equation? D square y by dx square, it is the highest order derivative. So what is the order of this differential equation? It is 2. But for degree, we have to reduce this differential equation into polynomial form because this differential equation contains radical sign. This degree can be found out when the differential equation, it should be free from radical sign or the rational indices. Now just simplify this equation. Under root d square y by dx square means this is d square y by dx square. Square root means it is bracket raised to 1/2. This is equal to cube root means 1 plus dy by dx. Cube root means this is bracket raised to 1/3. Now again this differential equation contains some rational indices. This previous differential equation contains the radical sign. Now if you transform this equation into, suppose, without radical sign, that means we get here bracket raised to 1/2 and bracket cube root means it is bracket raised to 1/3. Now again this differential equation contains the rational indices. That means obviously we cannot find out the degree. For degree, this differential equation should be free from radical sign as well as the rational indices. Now these are the rational indices. Now suppose if we increase this power by 6, suppose this is d square y by dx square bracket raised to 1/2 and this is bracket raised to 6, suppose 1 plus dy by dx bracket raised to 1/3. Now increase this differential equation by power 6, suppose. So what we get? This is d square y by dx square. Now this is bracket cube. These two get cancelled. And what is this term? This is 1 plus dy by dx. This 3 get cancelled means this is bracket square. Now this is the proper form, which is the polynomial form. So what is the order of this differential equation? D square y by dx square, it is the highest order derivative. So what is the order? It is 2. And what is the degree of this differential equation? Power of the highest order derivative. So what is the power? Power, it is 3. So what is the degree of this differential equation? That is 3. Now we can take one more example. Okay, find out the degree and order of this differential equation d square y by dx square bracket cube minus dy by dx bracket raised to 1/2 is equal to 0. Now if you observe this differential equation, then what is the highest order derivative? D square y by dx square. It is the highest order. So obviously order of the differential equation, it is 2. But this differential equation contains this rational number 1/2. So first of all, convert this differential equation into polynomial form. So just simplify this differential equation. This is d square y by dx square bracket cube. Now transform this term to this side. So this is dy by dx. This is bracket raised to 1/2. Now squaring on both sides. So what we get? This is d square y by dx square. Squaring means this bracket raised to 6. This is equal to, if it takes suppose square, then 2 get cancelled. So this is equal to dy by dx. So what is the order of this differential equation? Just find out the highest order derivative, that is d square y by dx square. We have differentiated y by 2 times. So d square y by dx square, it is the highest order derivative. So what is the order of this differential equation? It is 2. And what is the degree of this differential equation? Just find out the power of the highest order derivative. So power, it is 6. So what is the degree of this differential equation? That is the 6. Now see, there are 2 types of differential equation. One, it is the ordinary differential equation. It is called ODE. And second, it is called the partial differential equation. It is called PDE. Now see, what is the definition of ordinary differential equation? A differential equation which contains the ordinary derivatives of one or more dependent variable with respect to single independent variable. We require just one independent variable. For example, dy by dx plus x plus y equal to 0. This is called the ordinary differential equation, because it contains just one dependent variable with respect to a single independent variable. It may contain one or more dependent variable. For example, dx by dt plus dy by dt is equal to sin t. This is again the example of ordinary differential equation. But this differential equation contains 2 dependent variables. This x and y, this is called the dependent variable, but there is just one single independent variable. In this example, there is just one dependent variable and one independent variable. But in second example, we have taken these 2 dependent variable and this t as a single independent variable. So this is the example of ordinary differential equation. So what is the ordinary differential equation? Ordinary differential equation contains this ordinary derivative which contains one or 2 dependent variable with respect to a single independent variable. But in partial differential equation, there are 2 or more independent variable. For example, this is the example of partial derivative del square u by del x square plus del square u by del y square equal to 0. This is the example of partial differential equation. Because this differential equation contains just one dependent variable, but there are 2 or more independent variable. So this is the difference between the ordinary differential equation and partial differential equation. Ordinary differential equation contains 1 or 2 dependent variable, but there is always just single independent variable. But in partial differential equation, there may be 2 or more independent variable. So thank you for watching.